So this is typical of putting the screens on any of the cleaners, where it just slides in and it's got the lip that holds it on in the unit. This model has just 4 screens. Just 4 screens, but 5 screen and 10 screen and 20 screen, depending on the size of the cleaner. The front of all the cleaners is where the good product will come out. The back is where the FM or the foreign material would come out.
Yeah, go ahead and put some in.
And this is some white corn I got here. Let's try it.
Yeah, so here you can see the FM, which I'm probably in the shade, right in here.